Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So we're going to go through the Walgreens beauty event, the best deals. Man, there's some amazing ones in this. So remember, these deals don't start until Thursday the 9th, and there is no early activation for this in case people want to know. But Thursday is the start date, and it goes Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So this is what the digital counterpart for this looks like. Look for it in your digital coupons folder, load it right away. And this is more than a one-time use. I think the most I've ever done it was like 5 or 6 times, which is really fantastic. And that is doing like, 5 transactions, obviously. And this is what the paper booster looks like. Shout out to Heart0705 on Instagram. She posted this. And some stores will let you do a screenshot from your phone and they'll just scan it that way. Other ones, they actually need a physical printout. So maybe ask at your beauty counter. Alternatively, this sometimes comes out of the Catalina machine. So figure something out. And if you don't have either one, sorry guys, maybe one of my Friday deals will be better, just getting some meat and potato stuff at the store. But this is really an opportunity for a lot of us to build a lot of points. So going through the rules again, Ironclad, it's from the 9th to the 11th. You got to get to $25 before coupons are applied, so you have to hit that specific price point. So if you're at $24.98, you're 2 cents short. And classically in the past, the 7,000 paper and the 7,000 digital have stacked for 14,000 points, which is the equivalency of $14. So you're paying 25, getting back 14. You could see the return on investment there is pretty big. And let's not forget, 1,000 points is $1. That's how I'm getting the $14. For this, you have to pay cash for the balance for this specific booster because it is a spend one. Don't use points or you will not earn points back. And as I stated earlier, I've done this on one store card like 5 times, a couple times back. And it worked perfectly. Any issues that you might have, void your transaction. And if you want to wait for me, Thursday at noon, I'll have something on Instagram or here on my YouTube page saying yay or nay if it's working. And if you want to follow me over on Instagram, my name is right there. And I will probably post something right away after I try one of these deals over at the store on Thursday morning. And this is a real opportunity to build your points, so you can have like $100, $200 of points. So this is an event that a lot of us go really hard on. To answer another question, if you wish to use register rewards, make sure that you have a filler item to grab your register reward, because it's 1 item per coupon for your basket over at Walgreens, or the register reward will beep. Make sure that your cashier scans every single item if you have coupons for every item, so also that the coupons attach. If you're a newbie, just got your Walgreens card yesterday, I would recommend to pass on this. Unless you're a super student, then you're going to really enjoy this event. And I will recommend for people to be really safe, shop off-peak hours, social distance, wear a mask, be really safe out there, guys. Seems like every day I turn on the news is just worse. So just be really careful out there. Can't stress that enough. Now, what is included in the beauty event? I found this on the website this morning. So if you want to pause the video right here where the arrow is, read up on that. What is in fact included? Pause the video right now and read on this. And what is not included is this list. So pause the video and just know that even if you ask, it's not included. Sorry, guys. Okay, so deal number 1, this one's really fantastic. You're going to need your paper booster or get the cashier to scan the screenshot, 7,000 when you spend 25, and have the digital also loaded to your store card. Now, we're also going to be grabbing for this deal some Old Spice body wash. So we're going to be grabbing 4 of them, priced at $6.99. And the reward is 10,000 points when you buy 4. Please make sure you're grabbing the right ones. Watch the cash register like a hawk, because I know there's some that are $5.99 or $5.89, cheapies, but you want the ones for $6.99 on the nose to work perfectly in concert with this deal. And here is, 10,000 when you buy 4. You got to pick up the right ones. That is your JOB on Thursday. Now we're going to be utilizing this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 4. It was loadable a couple weeks back, so hopefully you loaded it. And then if you scoot over to your IBOTTA account and type in Old Spice, $1.25 for each body wash as well. So already that's pretty amazing. Looking at the math for this one, 4 Old Spice body washes is $27.96. Let's remember they're $6.99 each. That's how I'm getting that price point. At this point, you're getting the cashier to scan the 7,000 booster along with having it loaded to your store card. That 5 off of 4 digital coupon is coming off. You're left with paying $22.96 cash out of pocket. You're getting back 14,000 points for the beauty event, the digital and paper boosters, plus an extra 10,000 points for buying 4 of those body washes. And then we're going to submit to IBOTTA. We have $1.25 times 4, which is 5 buckos. It makes your basket free plus a $6.04 money maker. Now, I know a couple weeks back there was a register reward also printing for Old Spice. Will this in fact print tomorrow, or has that register reward expired? That was a national deal with Old Spice, so we'll have to wait and see. Potentially this could be even a bigger money maker if the $2.50 register reward is printing, so we'll have to wait and see for that. If it is, it's fantastic. If not, it's still a $6.04 money maker. Okay, deal number 2, we need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 7,000 paper booster. So hopefully the cashier will scan this off of your phone, or you'll have one in hand from the beauty counter. And then this digital you need as well, so those 2. And then for this little dealio, we're going to be grabbing 4 ladies Olay body washes for $6.99 on the nose. Remember, 10,000 points when you buy 4. How wonderful is that? And just to show you what the sticker is, again, you're going to have to look for this one. So really pay attention that, it's $6.99 on the nose, and that's the ones you're grabbing. And we're going to need this digital, which is a 3 off of 2. This was loadable a couple weeks back, both of them. And just to let you know, I had to search the Olay body wash to see all these coupons. I just could not find them in the app, along with this 4 off of 2. So we're going to be grabbing 4 of those body washes that look exactly like they're pictured on the digital coupons. So here's the math for this one. Grabbing 4 of those Olay body washes at $6.99 a pop. We're going to get the cashier to scan our 7,000 booster, along with having it loaded to our store card. Subtracting $7 of digital manufacturers, we have a $4 and a $3 digital. You're left with paying $20.96 cash out of pocket. You're going to get back your $14,000 for the 2 boosters plus $10,000. So it makes it free plus a $3.04 money maker. So right here you can see, like, this is a tremendous deal if you might have those coupons. Again, I had to search manually in my app and type in Olay body wash, and then it popped up. And the online price is $5.99. The in-store price is $6.99. So there is a discrepancy. Please don't get confused by that. But I can't recommend enough for you to really pay attention that you're grabbing the right body wash, that it is ringing up for $6.99, because that's the magic number to get all these numbers to balance. If it's a little off, it might be like $23 and some change. So really pay attention. You're grabbing the right stuff. That is your job tomorrow if you're going to do either 2 of these deals. And if you want to do both of them, obviously do the Old Spice one first and then the Olay one secondly. This is to work in concert with the 5 off of 4 and then those other Olay coupons. So hopefully you could follow what I'm saying. Okay, this next deal is really fantastic as well. You need your paper booster, which is the 7,000 when you spend 25. Please make sure you got one of those in hand for this deal, because it is really important, along with this guy, which is the digital counterpart for that. Okay, so this deal is really kind of outside of the box. I did a smaller one of it on Sunday and it worked perfectly, because sunscreen, or the sun care, is actually part of Beauty Club. It is a buy one get one 50% off. 5,000 when you spend 15, and Copper Tone is part of it. To give you a visual, you're going to grab 3 of those cans and then 1 lotion. The cans are $9.99. The lotion is $10.99 on a buy one get one 50% off. Now, in the month of June the 28th, we had this 5 off of 2, so you're going to need 2 paper coupons to accompany this deal to have the biggest savings. So look through your coupon inserts to make sure you have this guy. So looking at the math, one of those lotions is $10.99, and then 3 of those sprays at $9.99 a piece on a buy one get one 50% off is $19.98. So the total for your basket right here, guys, is $30.97. At this point, you get the cashier to scan your 7,000 booster. You also have it loaded to your store card. You're going to present 2 5 off of 2 paper coupons from the Smart Source of June the 28th. So that's subtracting $10 right there. You're going to pay $20.97 cash out of pocket. You're going to get back 10,000 points from Copper Tone. You're getting 5,000 for every 15 that you spent, and you got 30, so that's double, plus the 14,000 for beauty. So it makes this free, plus a $3.03 money maker. We barely see sunscreen this inexpensive. So this is a superb deal. Okay, so this next deal, I'm going to say it's a bit of fanciness. It's the only way I can describe it. So we're going to need the paper booster, which is $7,000 when you spend $25. Get the cashier to scan this one, obviously. And then we're also going to use this guy, which is a digital for this deal. So if you guys root around where they have like the Burt's Bees display and all the fancy skincare at the very bottom, this Dr. Bronner stuff has been showing up at my specific store, and it never was for the longest time. It is a fancier type of like soap, body wash. It's an 18-in-1, so you can use this to, you know, wash clothes to like washing your body. It has like different properties, and if you are a fan of Dr. Bronner's, you know precisely what I'm talking about. It is a very nice soap. So anyhow, these ones are $12.79, pardon me. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $25.58. Scan your paper booster, have it loaded. You're going to have to pay that $25.58 cash out of pocket. You're going to get back 14,000 points. So it makes it $11.58 for the 2 or $5.79 for each of the Dr. Bronner's soaps, which is a really great price point. Now, last month they had a buy 2 get the 3rd for free, but that's for dental care this month. So you're getting a little bit less, but it's still a superb deal, especially if you use this or if you have somebody who's like allergic to everything and they can only use Dr. Bronner's. This is just an alternative deal. Okay, deal number 5, the final deal. You need your cornerstone, which is the paper $7,000 when you spend $25. Please make sure you have one of these, a screenshot, the paper one from the beauty counter, or from the Catalina machine if one prints out for you. Along with that, you need this guy, which is $7,000 when you spend $25. So you need your 2 boosters for this beauty event. Okay, so we're getting a hodgepodge for this one that include 2 of the Revlon Kiss Bombs. $5 register reward when you buy 2. Unfortunately, no manufacturer coupons at this time for this. And as you can see, it's tagged $4.99. $5 register reward when you buy 2. How awesome is that? So you're going to grab 2 of those. And then we're also grabbing 2 of the cheaper Tresemes, the 2 for $8. $4 register reward when you buy 4. So we're going to utilize 2 of these Tresemme coupons from the Smart Source of June the 28th. And the limit for this is a max of 2, so we're not breaking any rules here today. So grabbing 2 Revlon Kiss Bombs at $4.99, that's $9.98. And then 4 of the Tresemes, remember they're 8 for 2, so that's $16 on the nose. Adding those 2 numbers up together, you have a total of $25.98. Get the cashier to scan your 7,000 booster, along with having it loaded to your store card. You're going to present 2 off of 2s from the Smart Source of June the 28th, subtracting $4 right there. You're left with paying $21.98 cash out of pocket. You're going to get back a $5 register reward from Revlon, a $4 register reward from Tresemme, and then 14,000 points for the beauty event, making your basket free, plus a $1.02 money maker. Not too shabby. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye, guys.